Hi everyone, it's Jared of Heat Press Nation, and I'll be guiding you through how you can customize these 16-ounce sublimation pencil holders with your own fun and colorful graphics using the HPN Signature Series mug press. So stick around and we'll have some fun customizing this. If you enjoy our tutorial videos, live episodes, and the other things that we do here at Heat Press Nation, be sure to like this video and any others from us. For keeping up to date, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell to catch new stuff from us as it releases. Let's get started. If you or your customers are looking to bring some style and flair to a desk or office space, our 16-ounce sublimation pencil holders are definitely something you want to consider. Available with an inner shade of either blue or black, these pencil holders are great as gifts, educational promotions, and branding. If you happen to have a convection oven and an appropriately sized oven wrap, it is possible to fully wrap your designs around these pencil holders. But what if you don't have that equipment and you want to customize the holder with something simple? Fortunately, this is something that a mug press, like this HPN Signature Series machine, can pull off without a problem. First, prepare your transfer within the imprint dimensions of the pencil holder, which should be set in photo editing or graphic design software at 10.8 by 4.75 inches. In Adobe Illustrator, if you create these dimensions as a rectangle and center it, you can use it as a clipping mat to keep your images within the imprint area. Once your image is ready, you may print it through your sublimation printer. For Sawgrass printers, set the Sawgrass Print Manager as the printer and use these settings. Substrate set to ceramic mug, paper set to your paper's profile, leave the mirror option checked, and in the color tab, set your color mode to photographic or vivid depending on your image's detail. With these settings in, go ahead and click Print on SPM. With the transfer printed, trim around the hard edges of your image, wrap the transfer tightly around your pencil holder, then attach it in place using heat tape. To be able to customize these pencil holders efficiently, having a robust mug press will surely help out. You'll just need to keep the item's rim in mind as you place it inside the machine. But while the machine is off, this would be the perfect time to find medium pressure for the pencil holder. If you have a Signature Series mug press, make sure to fasten the front knobs all the way in, and then you can adjust the back two as needed as you test press the pencil holder, which will be placed with the rim making contact but sticking out of the element. You should be feeling slight resistance when test pressing, though the machine shouldn't be difficult to close or open. Once you find the right pressure for the pencil holder, slide it out and turn on your machine. Similar to ceramic sublimation mugs, this pencil holder requires heat press settings of 190 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit. Prior to pressing and attaching your transfer, we recommend warming up the pencil holder to a low, warm temperature with a convection oven. Once your heat press reaches temperature, simply slide your pencil holder back in with the rim sticking out, then press. After 190 seconds, carefully open your machine and wear heat-resistant gloves to take your pencil holder out to cool down for a moment. Once cooled, peel the transfer off the item, and you've now customized a sublimation pencil holder with a vibrant image. To learn more about sublimation tools and accessories and the HPN Signature Series mug press, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can always contact a My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.